Hello everyone, if you're a YouTuber, there's a good news for you. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? There's an update on YouTube Shorts that has come into force on August 4, 2021, wherein your shorts will be paid. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe and watch this video till the end to know the update. Here is the update. YouTube Shorts Fund, 100 million fund is created to reward all the YouTubers for their creative original content that has been uploaded, and to be eligible for the reward, channels need to have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days. Channels need to abide by YouTube community guidelines, copyright rules and monetization policies. Channels uploading videos, watermarks, or logos from third-party social media platforms, non-original videos, for instance, unedited clips from movies or TV shows, reused content from others, creators' channels will not be eligible. Creators must be in one of those countries: Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, South Africa, UK and US, and they have not mentioned the number of views threshold upon which YouTubers will be rewarded for uploading their shorts. Creators must be 13 or older in the United States, or age of majority in their country. Creators 13 to 18 years old should have a parent or guardian to accept the rules and set up an AdSense account. And once you are eligible for the reward, you'll be notified through mail. You can claim it before 25th of that month. Otherwise, the reward or bonus expires. Once you claim, you got to accept the terms and get payment in AdSense account. If you have any queries, please know that I'll be answering in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.